Hey guys, it's Justine and a huge thank you to Google for sponsoring this video. I am so excited because today we have two brand new Google Pixel 9 phones here in the studio to check out. We've got the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. You can actually shop for these phones directly from this video by clicking the shopping button. And for my first 200 viewers, if you use the code iJustine at checkout, you'll get $50 off your purchase of your new Pixel 9 phones. And now let's unbox and learn more about these devices. Starting with the Pixel 9, it has a 50 megapixel main camera and a new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera with macro focus for stunning close-up photos. It's powered by the latest Tensor G4 processor and has 12 gigs of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for all of your tasks. The 6.3-inch Actual display is incredibly sharp and vibrant. For me, the cameras is what it's all about, and the Pixel 9's camera system is really impressive. The main lens captures incredibly detailed photos, and the ultra-wide lens is perfect for those wide shots and the macro focus close-ups. Night Sight takes sharp, vivid photos in low lights, and the new Magic Editor can make complex edits with just a few taps. You can move objects, adjust the background, and even expand your image to get more of the scene. It also comes in obsidian, porcelain, wintergreen, and peony. Now onto the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This has the new Tensor G4 processor and 16 gigs of RAM. These models feature a Pro triple rear camera system with a 50 megapixel main lens and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens. As for the zoom, it has a 48 megapixel telephoto lens for all of those zoom shots. The front camera is upgraded to a 42 megapixel lens, which is the highest resolution on any front-facing Pixel camera. The Pro models also introduce Super Res Zoom for video and Video Boost to enhance your videos to 8K resolution. This is so perfect for content creators who need high-quality video. It's got such great detail across a wide zoom range thanks to the optical quality performance at 0.5, 1x, 2x, 5x, and 10x zoom levels. Super Res Zoom even lets you zoom in further without losing quality. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is available in obsidian, porcelain, hazel, and rose quartz. The Pro XL has a 6.8-inch display and it's super vibrant and bright. Now both of these phones feel really premium when you're holding them. They feel substantial and they also look really great too. They do have a slight finish, so you will be able to tell the difference just by looking at them. The color is pretty similar, but the Pro model has a silky matte finish with a dual finish camera bar and polished metal frame, whereas the Pixel 9 has a polished glass back with a satin metal finish. I really love the attention to detail, and they're also made with recycled materials, including 100% recycled aluminum enclosures. Now something that's great about both of these devices is the Pixel 9 and the Pro model have an all-day battery life, but the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers the fastest charging ever on a Pixel. It can charge up to 70% in 30 minutes, which is perfect for those who are always on the go. Pricing starts at $799 for the Pixel 9 and $1099 for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, one of the things that I was most excited to test out on the Pixel 9 is the low light. The Pixel 9's Night Sight features captures incredibly detailed and vibrant photos, even in dim lighting situations like this. I love testing out the zoom enhancement in photos that I've already taken. This is such a great way to reframe shots and get such incredible enhanced details. Now for video content, this is where I shine. The Pixel 9 Pro's 8K Video Boost is so impressive. The stabilization is really great, which makes it perfect for vlogging or shooting while on the move. This is something that I could not wait to test out when I saw them announce this. In this new Pixel 9 series, you're able to use this feature called Add Me. So this ensures that no one is ever left out when you take a picture. Oh my gosh, there you are. Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh, you look great. Okay, wait, no, don't move. Okay, stay right there. Okay, just do one pose. That's nice. All right, I have taken the photo. Okay, now you leave, you come over here. You tell me where I have to go.
Step to your left.
This left?
Yeah, exactly. A little bit more. Okay.
Did it work?
I don't know, let's see.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this shirt looks really sloppy. I'm gonna have to change before we go out and film. We're not together in this photo, but we're together. Gemini is an AI assistant, and this is available on all models, but it comes with extra features on the Pro XL. Gemini can help you with planning and learning and finding information quickly. You can even use it to identify plants or find recipes based on what's in your fridge. And this is incredibly useful for people that probably have a lot of food in the fridge, but I basically just have a bunch of drinks. So we're not gonna be using my fridge for any testing of recipe examples. I'm gonna test it out right now. I've been using it for a little while, and it's pretty cool because it's basically a built-in AI assistant right here in the palm of your hand. So I'm gonna try to find out what is the best time to take photos at sunset. You can use your voice, you can type to it.
The best time to take photos at sunset is typically about 1 hour before sunset. This is when the light is at its softest and most golden.
You can also attach photos and use Google Gemini that way. What type of plant is this?
Based on the image, the plant appears to be a Kalanchoe thursiflora, also known as the paddle plant or flapjack plant.
All right, so now I'm gonna test out what this is like if I were to make a little vlog. So right now I'm using the Pixel 9 Pro XL and we're gonna go get some sushi.
Sushi?
Yeah,
Sushi.
we're almost there. The line is always so long.
It's 5 or 6 too many.
This is fire.
The name is just so funny.
I had so much fun testing out both of these devices. I always love the design of the new Pixels. Overall, the performance is really smooth thanks to that Tensor G4 processor. Plus, with the features like Super Res Zoom for video, Night Sight, and the new Google One AI Premium plan, these phones definitely don't disappoint. Now remember, you guys can actually shop for both of these devices, the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro XL, directly from this video using the shopping button. And don't forget to use the promo code iJustine for a special $50 discount for my first 200 viewers to purchase through the YouTube shopping button. Thank you again to Google for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Pixel phone you're most excited about. See you guys in the next video. Bye!